So the next thing we would like to do is apply the finishes. So bring in the material editor, and the first thing we should do is change the renderer to the Corona renderer. So now the material editor will update to Corona material editor, and I can bring in the library. Just open the Corona library, go to the metal, and let's begin with this one. Just click and drag anywhere. Fine. So this is the one. I would like to increase or decrease the glossiness, but we have a map over here. We can modify it. If I want, I can turn it off completely and adjust it with the value I want. Maybe 6.65. Okay, 4. So I'll select all of these and apply it. Okay, so if you want to see the color, go inside the color and just enable the color. Okay, same goes for this inner one. Apply the same, and we can just apply to all. Okay, so right now, as you can see, I've applied the same finish to the bulb as well, but don't worry, I can just click and isolate it. So this is where I can just edit this one. Okay, so now I can change from standard to the Corona material, and this one I will apply to the bulb here and then make this 2.5, so that when I install the light inside, it will give me the light effect. So let's do it. So if I come over here, and this is my light, Alt A, I align it, center everywhere, and we can reduce. Go into the wireframe mode, front view, can reduce, and we can increase the visible gizmo, and we have to increase the intensity over here 200, and give a warm color 4000. So now what I would like to do is include this light, Corona light, to this group, attach, and then I can click. When the group is closed, I can click, so it is part of the group. So now I can actually duplicate again. So now these are all instance lights. Our material is applied. We are ready to do some test lighting. Bring in the plane for a ground, so we can see our light and shadows falling on it. Okay, just roughly big enough, and you can just give it a gray finish. Fine. And now if I enable, but before that I would like to select, open the group and select this light, Corona light, and let's turn on the interactive rendering. Okay, press 8, and I'll just increase it a little bit. So this is the one blocking it. So the easiest way to do is right click this object, go to the object properties, and let's disable casting shadows. Okay, do receive shadows, and now it's all good. Fine. So this is how the light is. Hope you enjoyed it. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, like. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.